Hello everyone, Dr. Olivia Collins here. If you're ready to boost your vitality and feel younger again, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button. Let's begin. Today I'm about to share something that might completely change the way you think about men's health. It's simple, natural, and backed by hard science. No pills, no gimmicks, just one incredibly powerful nutritional strategy that supports your testosterone, blood flow, and performance around the clock. We're talking about nuts, but not just any nuts. There's one in particular that stands out as a true game changer for male vitality. Now, I know that sounds almost too simple. You might be thinking, how could something I can buy at the grocery store make such a big difference? Well, stay with me, because when you understand the biochemistry behind this, you'll never look at nuts the same way again. The truth is, most men don't need more pills. They need more nutrients. Modern diets are stripping away key minerals that your body requires to make testosterone, to keep your blood vessels healthy, and to maintain sexual performance. And one of the easiest ways to replenish those nutrients is through the right kinds of nuts. Let's start with the king of them all, the Brazil nut. This is, hands down, one of the most potent foods you can eat for male hormone support. Just 2 or 3 Brazil nuts give you your full day's worth of selenium, a trace mineral that's essential for testosterone production, thyroid balance, and reproductive health. Selenium helps your body produce an enzyme called glutathione peroxidase, one of your strongest natural antioxidants. This enzyme protects the very cells that make testosterone and supports the blood vessels responsible for erections. When selenium levels are low, oxidative stress begins to damage those cells. The result? Lower testosterone, weaker blood flow, and poor erectile quality. But when you restore that selenium balance, especially from a natural source like Brazil nuts, you're fueling your hormone production system at its foundation. Within weeks, most men notice higher energy, improved mood, and stronger performance. Next, let's talk about walnuts. These are incredible for cardiovascular and erectile health. Erections are, at their core, a vascular event. Blood flow has to be strong, flexible, and responsive. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which reduces inflammation and improves the elasticity of your arteries. But what makes walnuts especially powerful is how they enhance the endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels that releases nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the chemical messenger that tells your arteries to relax and allow blood to flow freely. Without it, even healthy testosterone levels won't matter. Regular walnut consumption has been shown in studies to improve endothelial function, increase nitric oxide production, and support better vascular performance. Walnuts also contain L-arginine, the amino acid that your body converts directly into nitric oxide. Add in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, and you've got a food that fights oxidative damage, enhances blood flow, and supports your energy at every level. Aim for 1 to 2 ounces of walnuts daily. A simple handful can make a measurable difference in just a few weeks. Now, let's move on to almonds. These are one of the most accessible, affordable, and effective nuts for men's health. Almonds are loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields testosterone molecules from oxidative damage. Many men produce adequate testosterone, but free radicals destroy it before the body can use it. Vitamin E prevents that, ensuring your hormones stay active and available. Almonds are also rich in magnesium, another mineral that's often deficient in men. Magnesium not only supports testosterone production, but also improves sleep quality, reduces inflammation, and balances blood sugar, all critical for sexual and metabolic health. Combine that with L-arginine, zinc, and healthy fats, and almonds become a complete performance-boosting package. A small handful a day, around 20 to 25 almonds, is enough to see results. Just make sure you're choosing raw or lightly roasted almonds without sugar or heavy salt. Let's talk about one of my personal favorites, pistachios. You might not expect it, but pistachios have one of the strongest clinical links to improved erectile function. In one study, men with moderate erectile dysfunction ate 3 ounces of pistachios every day for 3 weeks. The results were remarkable. They experienced stronger, longer-lasting erections, improved satisfaction, and enhanced blood flow. Why? Pistachios are rich in arginine, which fuels nitric oxide production. They also contain powerful antioxidants and plant sterols that support hormonal balance by reducing the excessive conversion of testosterone to DHT. And their healthy fats help maintain flexible blood vessels and balanced cholesterol levels, key factors for cardiovascular and sexual function. A serving of about 40 to 50 pistachios a day is ideal. Choose unsalted or lightly salted varieties to avoid unnecessary sodium intake. Next up are pecans, an underrated but nutrient-dense powerhouse. Pecans are loaded with antioxidants, particularly ellagic acid and vitamin E, which protect your blood vessels from oxidative damage. They're also high in beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that supports healthy testosterone balance. Pecans help fight inflammation, one of the biggest silent killers of erectile health. Chronic inflammation damages blood vessels, stiffens arteries, and interferes with nitric oxide signaling. Eating pecans regularly can help reverse that damage and restore vascular responsiveness. They're also a great source of zinc, magnesium, and manganese, nutrients directly tied to testosterone synthesis. 1 ounce of pecans daily, roughly 18 halves, provides an excellent hormonal and vascular boost. Now, macadamia nuts. These are rich, buttery, and incredibly beneficial for your hormones. They contain a unique profile of monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which has been linked to higher testosterone levels. Macadamias also contain palmitoleic acid, an omega-7 fat that helps reduce inflammation and supports metabolic health, crucial for maintaining blood flow and preventing erectile dysfunction related to insulin resistance. Because they're calorie-dense, moderation is key. 10 to 12 macadamia nuts per day is plenty. Eat them as a snack or add them to salads for a creamy, satisfying crunch. And finally, cashews, the zinc king. Cashews are packed with zinc, which is absolutely essential for testosterone production, sperm quality, and reproductive health. Zinc helps prevent the conversion of testosterone into estrogen, ensuring your body maintains optimal hormonal balance. It also plays a key role in libido, energy, and immune function. Cashews also provide magnesium and copper, supporting energy production and blood oxygenation, both vital for performance. A small handful of 15 to 20 cashews daily is perfect. Now, if you want to take all of this to the next level, let me share something I call the Erectile Power Mix. This combination delivers a complete nutritional formula designed to boost testosterone, blood flow, and nitric oxide simultaneously. Here's what you'll need: 2 Brazil nuts, 7 walnut halves, 10 almonds, 15 pistachios, and 5 cashews. That's it. Mix them together, store in a jar, and eat this blend daily. It gives you selenium for testosterone, omega-3s for blood flow, antioxidants for protection, and amino acids for nitric oxide. In short, it supports every major pathway your body needs for strong, consistent performance. Many of my patients who commit to this mix daily report noticeable improvements in energy, stamina, and libido within 4 to 6 weeks. It's simple, delicious, and works naturally. No side effects, no dependency. Timing also matters. Morning consumption gives you a steady stream of energy and nutrients throughout the day. Eating nuts in the afternoon can help you avoid that late-day fatigue and support your hormone production as your body prepares for nighttime repair. The real secret is consistency. Eat them every single day. Results build over time, not overnight. Now, you might be wondering, won't this cause weight gain? Actually, no. Studies consistently show that people who eat nuts regularly tend to have better weight control and lower waist circumference than those who don't. Nuts are satiating. They keep you full longer and reduce cravings for junk food. The key is portion control. A quick tip for better absorption: soak your nuts overnight. This reduces phytates, compounds that can block mineral absorption, and makes the nutrients more bioavailable. Just place them in water with a pinch of salt overnight. Then rinse and eat the next day. If you really want to maximize nutrient uptake, pair your nuts with foods high in vitamin C, like berries or citrus. Vitamin C enhances mineral absorption, especially zinc and iron. Now, as powerful as these foods are, they're not magic on their own. They work best as part of a holistic lifestyle. That means a balanced diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, consistent exercise, proper sleep, and stress management. Exercise, both strength training and cardio, improves circulation and naturally boosts testosterone. Sleep is when your body repairs and produces hormones, so aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Manage stress, because chronic cortisol elevation crushes testosterone and libido. And if you smoke, quitting is non-negotiable. Here's your simple action plan. Starting tomorrow, eat 2 Brazil nuts each morning. After 1 week, add a handful of walnuts in the afternoon. After another week, begin your daily erectile power mix. Track your energy, mood, and performance for 8 weeks. You'll be amazed by the changes. If possible, get your testosterone levels tested before and after this period. It's one of the best ways to see the real impact on your hormonal health. Natural solutions like this don't just treat symptoms, they build lasting vitality from the inside out. The longer you stay consistent, the more your body adapts and thrives. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Olivia Collins, and remember, your sexual health is a direct reflection of your overall health. By nourishing your body with these powerful, nutrient-dense foods, you're giving yourself the foundation for stronger performance, greater confidence, and lasting vitality. Take care of your body, fuel it wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.